Hello guys, how are you? I hope you are all well and doing good in your projects. So today I will just briefly through this video I will tell you about the SAP plant maintenance. Nowadays lot of opening coming in the plant maintenance. So what are the configuration is required? So what is the plant maintenance basically? So plant maintenance basically a functional module like PP, QM, MM, SD, FICO, okay, which we are incorporating all kind of a maintenance activities and tasks which we are doing in the plant, okay, our equipment, our machine. So everything whatever we are doing, we have to update into the SAP plant maintenance, okay. You see, it is a functional model. And what are the configuration is required whenever you get the plant code? So plant will come under the logistics, okay. We have to create the planning plant and maintenance plant, okay, planner group, planning section, okay. These are some prerequisites configuration. Baseline configuration is required in SAP plant maintenance. And what are the master data is required? We have to create the spare material code. Material type will be ERSA, ERSA, okay. Then we have to create the work center. Then we have to create the functional location. Then we have to create the equipment, okay. Then we have to create the equipment BOM, bill of material, spare material bill of material, okay. We have to create work center is the task list, very important. We have to create the task list, okay. So 4 to 5 to 6 SAP plant maintenance master data is there. And the process flow will start with the, you have to create the notification, then convert this notification to your PM work order. There is a 3 type of work order: preventive maintenance, corrective maintenance, and breakdown maintenance, okay. Then you have to release the work order, okay. There are certain transaction code is there. Once you release the work order, you have to confirm the work order. The task details already you have given in the task list. How many manpower you are using, how much time it will take to correct your machine or equipment, okay. Then all those things you have to confirm through the PM work order. Then you have to close the work order. Before that you have to issue the material also. Then you have to close the work order. Then finally you have to complete it. So this is the flow: notification, convert to PM work order, then release the work order, issue material to the work order, confirm the work order, and close the work order. Finally, plant maintenance, your work order will go for the costing. So this is the basic flow for the plant maintenance. There are some more things in the plant maintenance, so I will let you know in the next video. If you have any query, just call me or message me.